Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video, I'm going to show you on how to change your seat in Cebu Pacific after booking. So this one is super helpful if you want to window seat or seat with your friends. So first is you just have to visit the Cebu Pacific website or use the mobile application for that. Okay, and then once you're here, just have to tap on the manage booking. So you'll be able to see that under the manage. Tap on the manage booking, and this is where you can edit your flight details even after booking. So you just have to enter your booking reference number and the last name. And once you are inside your booking, you'll see all of the flight details and the available add-ons. So since we don't have any flights out, I cannot really show you that, but you just have to proceed, okay? So after that, you just have to look for seat selector or add-ons and then click on it, and then a seat map will appear showing available seats. So from here, you can choose your preferred seat like window, aisle, or extra legroom. So you just have to select new seat, then click continue or confirm. And if you choose a premium or preferred seat, of course, you need to pay an additional fee. And then I just have to complete a payment if needed. And then once successful, your new seat will be updated and will receive a confirmation email. So you can change your seat up to 2 hours before your flight. And seat changes depend on the availability. So book early for better options. And if you did not select a seat, you'll be assigned one randomly during the check-in. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.